Now we want to ensure that when the time reaches 0, it actually reloads the game. So in other words, it takes you up to the next level. So to do this, first of all, we need to ensure that we're saving our scene. And then we need to go to File and Build Settings. Ensure that your main scene is actually in your build settings and it sits at level 0 at the moment. Okay, so we're just simply going to call that and reload it. So in our script, in order to actually load scenes, we need to tell it that we're using the scene management so that we get access to those terms. So using Unity Engine .scene management. Okay, that's going to allow us then to load levels. So now when we come down to our time countdown, then we're at level current time is less than or equal to 0. I'm just going to comment out this time scale 0. So instead of pausing, what I'm going to do is just basically reload the game, reload the level. So I'm simply going to say scene manager dot load scene, and then inside the brackets it just needs the scene number, which was 0. And that's it. Alright, nice and easy. So if we just save that. So for testing purposes, I'll probably make the scene run at about 5 seconds. So if on the ground, if I now change my level time limit to something like 5, it should start off on 5 and then basically reload when it gets to 0. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. We reloaded. And it will just keep doing that. Okay. So basically, we only have to survive 5 seconds, which is extremely easy. But you will notice that all of my enemies are actually on scene all at the same time, which is going to make it a little bit more complex, a little bit more difficult. So what we're going to do in the next video is ensure that the enemies switch on at different times.